slam and fishing.
What's up, guys? We're here at a pond over here. I'm with Jack today. We're gonna go try to catch some trout or sunfish or whatever bites. Show you guys what we catch. Look at this nice water, guys. These fish are jumping right now. Just wait. See them jump pretty soon. See if we can catch some on this cast right here. Come on, fisher. Come on, fisher. Come on, fisher. Come on. Come on. Bro, this water's making me trip, bro. Jack, isn't this water trippy, bro? Got some very fast current today, guys. Oh, just missed one. See if we can get him. Still got some worm. Jack, I missed one. I had a bite. Come on, boy. Doesn't want to go bite again. All right, we're gonna go to the money spot right in that corner right there. Hopefully we can get one to bite again. Hopefully we can catch him this time. Let's see. Slowly reeling in. Slowly reeling in. Come on, boy. Oh, he just doesn't want to bite again, does he? Yo, Tom just pulled up to the party. We're getting a lot of bites today. So far, I haven't brought one in yet, but Marcus and Tom just pulled up to the party. We're about to get one right here. Oh, you saw one jump, guys? Look at them. They're all jumping all right. Here we go. We're gonna get one to bite right here. They're tying on a lure over there. Come on, let's catch one. Oh, he's nibbling. He's nibbling. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a turtle. I don't know. Bro, there's a turtle that just flew up to the top of the water. Come on, fishy, fishy. Come on, fish. Did y'all see that turtle? Come on, fishy. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
This thing's dirty as fuck, but you like
this. Scaring all my damn fish away. Come on, boy. Ooh, it's nasty over there.
What are you fishing?
Huh? Yo, fellers.
Hey, ready?
Check it out, boys. Check it. Marcus Clark with a great catch.
Hey,
check
Mark.
it out. Hey, let's see this
Mark,
bad
hold
boy.
this mug up. Hold this mug up. For the thumbnail, bro.
For the thumbnail, bro. Hey, put him on the ground. Put him on the ground.
Hey, comparison to my hand.
Wow, what a night. All right, should we get a release on this guy?
Yeah, get the release.
Underwater footage.
The bear was still open when I stuck the hook on.
And he's off.
Hey, make sure to drop a follow.
Yes, sir.
Drop a follow. Best content out here.
You know it. Holy boys, we are on! We are on! Monster trout, we are on! Oh, one just jumped right there too. Oh, monster.
That is a dandy.
Hell yeah, look at that bad boy.
That's pushing.
Oh, one just jumped right there too, boys. Holy,
Like
that is a nice one.
That's at least 25.
Oh, at least 30. Let's go. Hang on. Well, let's get a. All right, guys, Tom's gonna release this bad boy. Nice trout.
Buddy.
Guys, he's alive, I promise. Guys, he's doing fine. Just gotta give him some life.
Yeah, no, he's living.
Just gotta bring some life into him, boys.
There he goes.
Oh,
Say goodbye to him.
he's off, boys.
There he goes.
Nice.
He's gone.
Ah, guys,
He's gone.
he made it all right.
He made it.
He
made
surely
it perfect.
did. Nice job. Oh, we're on, boys. Oh, crappie!
Let's go.
Oh, and he came off. Let's go.
Drop it down.
Crappie! Crappie! Woo, look at that. Look at this fish, boys. Look at that fish, boys. Hell yeah. Beautiful fish.
Look at that one, boys. Look at it. Hey, drop a follow for the gram.
Oh, yeah. Yo, host, let me get a flick real quick.
I'm taking your pulse. You already know who's behind the cam. It's the Tom cam. That's what we be saying nowadays.
Stop playing with the boys.
Stop playing with them. Stop playing them.
Oh, he's a.
Oh,
yeah.
Hey.
All right, boys.
Hey,
Take
release number 2.
Take 2 on the
Take 2.
release.
First one
Give him a nice little
might be
beautiful.
called.
Oh yeah. Oh.
There he goes.
Beautiful release.
And he's
Tom.
off.
Way to
Back-
really release
Back
him.
to his home and family.
Yes, sir.
And
Safe
make
and
sure to drop a
sound.
follow.
Oh yeah.
Drop a follow.
All right, guys. I just got a bite. Hopefully we can get him again here. It was at the very end too, like right here. Oh. Come on. Come on. Where are you? Nope. They want to bite that cast. Hopefully we can get him right here. Come on. All right, let's get a nice little cast right there. Hopefully we can get him here. Oh, just jumped. Did you guys see that right there? They're getting feisty right now. It's time for them to eat. Oh yeah, definitely gonna get a bite right here. Gotta get a bite right here. Oh, just jumped right there too. There we go. This is lucky cast. Here's lucky cast right here. Come on, fisher. Come on, fisher. All right, last cast right here, boys. Oh, one jumped right in front of it. Oh. Come on, bite. Come on. He literally jumped right in front of it. How in the world are they not biting? Oh! All right, here you go, Jack. Hey, he's going to get it. He's going to catch a bird with his bare hands. Get him, boy! Get him! Oh. Did it crack? Other side. Oh my gosh, it cracked! Oh! Bro, I'm sorry, your phone cracked, man. You're gonna be okay, man. You're gonna get through this, friend.
No, I'm done.
You're done? You're done? Oh, he's done! Oh! Yo, team! Sunny on the worm! I don't think it's not blind. Bro, right after we ended the live, but hey guys. All right, let's try to get this worm out of here too. Perfect. Throw her back out. We're gonna go get a nice release. Tom, you know what time it is? Release time. Give you the the powers. All right, boys, we're ready for a release with Tom. Yes, sir, with Tom.
Part 3.
Hold up.
This boy's going back to his house. We're wishing him a happy life.
And he's
Sweet
off.
little feller.
Beautiful release again. That guy was energetic. Beautiful release.
Beautiful release.
Oh, yeah.
That's all we do.
Woo, let's go.
Hey, it's a fan. It's a fan.
Are you a fan of Slam 'em?
You want to help you out our content? We have a content page. Or he does. Come over here. Fan meetup.
Yo, fans.
Yo, one at a time, please.
One at a time.
All the fans are rushing in.
The fans are coming.
One at a time.
The fans are coming. All these fans here are for me, guys. Let's go.
Yes, sir, brother.
Yo, I just need y'all to stop showing up so fast, man. Got too many fans here. You're like,
One at a time.
holy.
One at a time.
Yo, what's up, Slam 'em? Oh, we're on, boys. Oh no, he just came off. No. Yo, are you a fan of Slam 'em? We got ourselves our first fan to show up. Yo, what's up? Yo, first fan. Yo, what do you gotta say to Slam 'em subscribers?
Subscribe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From here.
Yes, sir. Yo, you wanna pick with Slam 'em himself?
Hey, I got you.
Yo, come get a pick. Get a pick. Come get a pick.
Hey, ready? Say slam 'em.
Slam 'em.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. That's dirty. That's
Yes,
dirty.
sir. Yes,
Hey,
sir.
fan meetup number 1.
Here comes a fish, Slam 'em fam. Here comes a fish. Come on, fisher. Come on, fisher. Are you on?
I'll take that one. I'll take
Hold up, we're on, boys. You missed them? Gosh darn it, man.
Hey, man, a couple more guys.
Nah, it's alright, I got it.
Like 10, bro. I need like 10 more.
Here comes a fish, boys. Oh. Yo, oh no, just missed him. Oh, you guys saw that though. He was feisty for that.
Just like kind of take a picture of them on the line.
Feisty for it.
Yeah. So it's basically like that, but without like the organization. Like you
Come on. Come on. Oh.
And don't you hold it when you reel it in.
Yo, Slam 'em fam. They keep on biting at the very end right here. Just attacking and let's see if we can get one here. Just like attacking and then they let go of it. Hopefully we can get the one to bite at the end right here. Let's see though. Come on. Come on. No, not this time. Let's see if we can get one here though. We didn't get one right here. Come on, all fish. Come on, all fish. Fishy, fishy, bite my hook. Yo, they're my fans over there, guys. Oh, come on. No, it's not having. All right, guys. You can't see my bobber right now, but she's out there. Oh, Marcus. Oh, what do you got on? Oh, he's got a nice trout. Bring it on in. Oh my. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, what a beautiful trout. Yo, guys, let me know in the comments what kind of trout this is. Absolute beaut right here. Here, hold this.
Yeah, I think it is too.
Oh. All right, bud. You want to see? You want to keep or not? That is a good question.
Tom, go check where Braden.
Yeah, go check out my bobber, Tom.
Oh, it's right there. I see it.
All right, boys, we got him loose now. So give him a nice little release. This is a nice one too. Look at him. This is my hand. Look at him compared to my hand, boys. Beautiful one. Beautiful fish right here. give him a nice sound release. Come on, get down here, boy. Get down here. Yo, let's get. Here we go with the trout release. There you went. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Nice catch, Mark. All right, boys, you don't see the bobber right now. I think we got a fish on. Here we go. Oh yeah, she's on. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice one, boys, nice one.
Here we go, here we go.
What do we got on? This might be a snapper, bro. No, not snapper. Here we go.
There you go.
Let's go.
There you go.
Back to back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Come, guys. Come, bring it in close. Come show them how big.
Hey, nice size trout here.
Nice and big and round this trout is right here. Beautiful size trout. Oh, he swallowed it, guys. That ain't good. We might have to release this one to the creek, man.
Hey, beautiful. We got Tom on the cam again. You already know.
Yo, guys, come check out how big this one is. Oh yeah. Let's put him on the ground. Come here, Tom. Come here.
Did it just die?
Alright, boys. Tom, you recording?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we're gonna have a problem here, though, guys. You see that mouth right there? Look how far down that is. Jack, you got some tweets?
That's a deep throat if I've ever seen one.
Hey, let's show them how big this fish is, though.
It's a nice size trout we got there.
Look at him compared to my hand.
Hey, yes, sir.
Oh, look at that monster. He's going. Yeah, what y'all got on? They got a snapper. They got a snapper. No way. Hey, this is live footage. This is live footage. Yeah. We got him zooming. Yo, what y'all got on? What y'all got on? Hey, the fans got something massive on. Oh my gosh. Yo, is that a snapper? Get that mug out.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. Boys, Slam fam.
Hey, hold that.
He's hissing.
Hey, show him compared to that kid, bro.
Holy boys.
Hey, what's your name? How
just caught a giant snapper.
Fucking massive snapper.
Look at him hissing at us. Oh, he's cool. Look at that mouth, boys. Freaking massive. What'd you catch him with?
Rooster tail.
Oh, a rooster tail. Wow, that's a freaking giant. That thing is scary, guys. Oh, he almost just killed him.
He's fighting.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Wow, nice catch, How.
That is a crazy catch.
Yo, oh my gosh. Holy crap, boys.
Hey, it's starting to come down.
Woo, wait.
The rain is coming down.
Nice catch, man. Nice catch.
That's actually crazy.
Tom, record me.
Hey.
All right, boys, here we go. Trying to get this out of here. Come on, boy.
Hey, we got him on the line. All the way down to the trout.
So, dude, is he actually like here for a fan?
Oh my.
Hey, yo, he's sucking on that shit though.
All right, boys. All right, guys. Me, Marcus, Tom, and Jack.
I'd say it was a pretty successful
Oh
day.
yeah, we just got done. We had a great day. Oh. Yo, our fans! Yo, what's up, fans?
You cannot make this shit up. We got our whole fan base going on right now, bro. Whole fan base. We got BPs, bro. Hey, we don't have time. Hey, you don't got.
Let's go.
Hey, no photos.
No way.
No photos. Hey.
Y'all love the content?
I love the content.
Let's go. Appreciate y'all.
Fishing
Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate
I
y'all.
love you, bro. Oh
Yes,
my
sir.
gosh.
Appreciate y'all. All right, Sam fam. You too. All right, Sam fam. As you can tell, we just had our fans pull up. We love seeing you guys. So nice seeing our fans everywhere. But yeah, pretty good day overall. And we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.